Okay, sick. Welcome everyone into what the hell is this camera position? I really need a proper camera stand because this one sucks. What are you doing? What are you doing? Stop. And let's make some tunes. I started a song with this thing, and I have a progression and kind of type of deal, and we're gonna make a drop. Hell yeah. So I recently posted that I'm tired of making production videos, but here we go. Here's another production video instead of like tutorials and stuff. I'm back to producing. I don't know. So that's it here basically. So this sound is pretty sick. Simply a Serum saw wave, and then auto filter, and some EQ, some more EQ, some Valhalla room, right, reverb, and some pitch monster, and some more reverb. And as you can see, some parameters are being modulated, like the filter is being is opening here. The pitch of the Serum goes up. The pitch of the pitch monster goes up. That's the same thing. The depth of the suit goes up, and so it's like a space for a vocal, like a pre-drop vocal for like a sick drum fill. And then we are going right into the quick type of situation. So let's see if we can use some presets already. Oh, maybe this one. And duplicate that. Okay. Oh, this one, yeah. This ARP is gonna be useful. Let's try a different sound. So at wavetable, modulate this. Add maybe an LFO. Maybe this guy. Also maybe this guy. Now modulate this guy with this guy. This is not crazy, but it's more like a weird thing. Maybe we can do something with it. I don't know. Let's try. Oh, that's interesting. Okay. Filter. I don't know what I'm doing, but OTT, hell yeah, and some distortion maybe. Do we have a pitch? Okay, there's a pitch bend. How about fake Gracie shifting this? This is insane. That's what I love about it, is that just tweaking parameters can give you so many cool sounds. Okay, this is kind of cool. I made this preset. That can work pretty nicely. Hell yeah. So now layering. I've been exporting some sounds from some sound design sessions. And so we can layer them in the background. That is weird, and I'm not sure about this frequency shifter here. Let's try this one. How about texture, lining this?
I'm good. No. Ridiculous. Rip it. Yeah.
How about reverb? And then like automation, but not here, but when the snare hits. Like here.
Yeah. 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 Yeah.
Okay, then texture again, warping this and stretching. And here we can add also an brass, right? It's gonna be +6. +6, actually -6. Okay, I wanna do. This thing. Horn. Why not? Nope, actually not. Okay, it needs like a pad in the background, but I want to add some build-up drums really quickly. Okay, it's pretty good. Yeah, say. Okay, I'm gonna do the gain automation because this first part is kind of louder. Okay, so like a quick, not really mastering, but I wanna just bring the volume up. Kind of do the limiting thing. I don't know what's up, but this is clean. And then there's supposed to be, let's copy this thing. Yeah, maybe like this. Copy these guys. No, I think there should be like the so we have some like this. That's kind of what you can hear in like a lot of songs. But first of all, we have to put something in here, here, and here. Yeah, so that would be the structure, and then there would be another drop. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you learned something. Have a nice day, and see ya in the next one. So that's it. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, you can cite that subscribe button. Also, you can visit my site oversampled.us for some high quality samples, presets, and free sounds.